Here's how to delete all your comments on YouTube. If you've made comments over the years that you'd now like to remove, YouTube gives you a simple way to manage and delete them. Start by opening the YouTube app and tapping on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there and select Settings. Once inside Settings, from the menu, scroll down and tap on Your Data in YouTube. This will bring up a dashboard with your activity details. Scroll down again until you see YouTube Controls and tap on Manage Your YouTube Watch History. This will open up a page showing all of your YouTube activity. Tap the Interactions tab at the top right, then scroll down and tap on Comments and Replies. You'll now see a list of every comment you've made on YouTube. To delete them, just tap the small X next to each comment. There's no single button to delete everything at once, but it's quick and easy to go down the list and remove each comment manually. If you found this helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials.